airplanes, space rockets, cars, chairs, boats. All of these objects were made with the help of a manufacturing technology called CNC machining from a CAD file. CNC machines can rotate tools around an attractive manufacturing technology because parts are created by removing material from a solid block. This block is called the blank or workpiece. Removing material from this blank or workpiece is done by a variety of automated 0.125 millimeters or 125 microns. Features with tighter tolerances down to 50 microns can be manufactured, and even tolerances of 25 microns are feasible.